This is Luke from Luke Pools in Cumming, Georgia. We're here at a customer's Desjoyaux pool. And it's about a 12 by 30 pool. I did a conversion on eliminating their pump and their old skimmer filter. The pump died, and I knew it was better to upgrade it to normal pool equipment that most every other pool uses, instead of this stuff right here that's really expensive and only proprietary to their company. So I did go to their company, and I got a conversion from their metric pipe to 2-inch. I ran that all the way over to here and had another one of their pieces that they gave me, that I bought. And then I met them two together with this Spears Schedule 80 Union. I'm running the pump and filter on Jandy. And we have their new VS Flopro dual voltage. It's the 1.85 horsepower. And I'm running it right now at 1500 RPMs through the Hayward heater and Jandy saltwater system on a sand filter. And it's very quiet. Barely hear it running. It's only using, I think the controller says, let's see right here. I'm running on speed 2 at 256 watts of energy. That's a considerable amount of savings that they're seeing off of the old pump, and you can see how much skimmer action that we're getting on it. So this pool hadn't run in about 6 weeks, so we've been keeping it clear with just normal maintenance and coming by and cleaning it. But we're in the winter time, so it's not going to turn green. But give it a couple of days and this water is going to be sparkling clear, and we'll get all this cleaned back up from sitting for a long time. If you have any questions, our number is 770-414-8000, or find us on the web at www.lukepools.com. Have a great day.